Tonawanda Island Railroad Swing Bridge crosses the Tonawanda Creek, Little River, located in Tonawanda, New York. Now this bridge looks just like the one, um, the New York Central Railroad, and so this one is abandoned too. Look at the detail of this bridge. Yep, so it used to um, be a use for railroad traffic, but now it's abandoned as well, swung open now for boats and ships to go through. Now, so now this bridge crosses the Tonawanda Creek or the Little River, located in Tonawanda, New York. Yep. Now this is a twin swing bridge, or similar swing bridge to the New York Central Railroad, in the same city, Tonawanda, New York.